1900s farmhouse on 8.30 acres fronting Horn Harbor. This would be a great renovation home as it has large, spacious rooms, with oak floors, beautiful staircase, original moldings, so much history here if you love older homes. Very pretty setting with beautiful trees. There is a nice path all clear to the waterfront with 390 of frontage on Horn Harbor quick to Chesapeake Bay. If you don't want to restore the home, then there is plenty of room to build a home closer to the waterfront. So you can restore or build new and enjoy the waterfront.